All right, SAT math problem of the day. This is number 5. So let's take a look. 5 on my video series here. Now, this is also number 5 on this particular SAT. And there's 27 questions. So if you're early in the SAT, they're usually easier. But again, it just depends on each individual. You may have not studied this. You might get confused, for example, inequalities. So whether it's easy or not really depends on what you've studied. However, number 5 is generally not intended to be a real hard one. But remember, inequalities, this means greater than 0. And X, of course, is the first one. Ordered pair, they come in order, particularly alphabetical order. So 8 is first, then the 2. 8 is greater than 0, and 2 is greater than 0. So A is the correct answer. Okay, now let's look at Desmos. It's not really necessary here, but let me show you what I did. I typed in the 0.82, and it's that dot right here, and then X greater than 0 and Y greater than 0. The X greater than 0 is in blue, Y greater than 0 is in green, and a system means it's got to satisfy both. Okay, so the dot is within that dark shading, so that would indicate that it is a solution. All right, so now it would take a while. If A wasn't correct, it might take a minute to type all those in. So remember, you need to save some time as you go here. And in an easier one, it's going to be, it'll be more obvious. It is A, but that's just a nice trick to know on Desmos, okay? But make sure you look at all the answer choices to make sure that they are incorrect and that A is correct.